You clicked because 0.1 Bitcoin sounds like the tiniest thing ever. But what if I told you that owning just that much could put you in the top 2.6% of the planet when it comes to Bitcoin wealth? Yeah, you didn't click for hype, you clicked for leverage. And this is exactly why 0.1 BTC might be one of the most powerful financial moves you can make right now. Quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice, just bold, caffeine-fueled education and strategic entertainment. Please don't mortgage your cat to buy Bitcoin. Let's go. 1.01 Bitcoin equals elite status in a future of scarcity. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. Ever. Divide that by 8 billion people, and guess what? Not even 3% of the global population could own just 0.1 Bitcoin. And most won't. So if you own 0.1, you're not early, you're ridiculously early. In a world where scarcity drives value, hello real estate, gold, vintage Air Jordans, Bitcoin is the king of limited supply. 21 million coins, that's it. No reruns. No bonus round from central banks. Want to feel even better about 0.1 Bitcoin? Let's zoom in on how little that actually means in fiat terms. 2. Yes, you can afford it, even if you think you can't. As of right now, 0.1 Bitcoin is around $10,000 to $13,000 depending on the day and whether Elon's tweeting. That might sound steep, until you realize you don't have to buy it all at once. Buy in small chunks. That's what Satoshis are for. Think cents to your dollar. 1 Bitcoin equals 100 million Satoshis. So 0.1 Bitcoin equals 10 million Satoshis. You can chip away at it with $10, $50, or $100 a month. No whales required. And the best part? You're not just saving money, you're defending it. 3. Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation, not just an investment. The dollar has lost 97% of its purchasing power since the 1970s. Meanwhile, Bitcoin? Up millions of percent since launch. Bitcoin isn't just some digital plaything, it's deflationary. That means as governments print more money, your BTC becomes more valuable simply by not being diluted. Ask anyone in Argentina, Turkey, or Venezuela. They don't need a TED Talk to understand inflation. They live it. And many of them turn to Bitcoin not to get rich, but to survive. Now let's get a little nerdy, in the best way. 4. Bitcoin's intrinsic value keeps growing, quietly and powerfully. What makes Bitcoin actually valuable? It's limited. Scarcity. It's decentralized. No one can shut it off. It's secure, thanks blockchain. It's portable, divisible, and can be sent globally in minutes. It's got institutional backing. BlackRock, Fidelity, and entire countries are getting in. Add in the 2024 halving, where supply was cut again, a growing Lightning network for real payments and consistent adoption. And you've got a recipe for long-term growth with real-world utility. Bitcoin isn't just digital gold, it's programmable value with compound potential. And if you're thinking, that's cool, but what does this mean for me day to day? Let's talk lifestyle. 5. Holding Bitcoin could lower your cost of living. No, seriously. Here's a wild idea. The more Bitcoin grows, the cheaper life gets. If you're holding it. That pizza that cost 10,000 BTC in 2010? Worth over $600 million today. Ouch. Extreme, yes. But the takeaway is this. While the dollar buys you less each year, Bitcoin has the potential to buy you more. Hold 0.1 Bitcoin today, and in 10 years, that might be the equivalent of multiple years' worth of expenses. If BTC follows historical trends. And you're not just protecting purchasing power, you're increasing it. And if you think 0.1 BTC is too small to matter, think again. 6. Most people will never own this much. With demand rising, supply fixed, and institutions hoarding BTC like it's digital oil, getting your hands on just 0.1 BTC puts you in elite company. You won't just be surviving inflation, you'll be on the other side of the wealth shift. In the future, when owning Bitcoin is the norm, you won't be the person saying, man, I wish I'd bought some when it was cheap. You'll be the one quietly cashing in. So how do you start building toward that 0.1 BTC? Let's break it down. 7. Your game plan. Stack slowly, stay focused. Step 1. Open a legit exchange account. Coinbase, Kraken, Swan, River, etc. Step 2. Set up automatic buys. Dollar cost average into Bitcoin weekly or monthly. Step 3. Secure your BTC. Cold wallet greater than exchanges. Always. Step 4. Chill. Don't check the price every 5 minutes. Your future self doesn't care about Tuesday's dip. Start with what you can. Stack Satoshis. Because one day, those $50 buys could equal financial independence. Let's recap why 0.1 Bitcoin isn't just a fraction. It's a financial cheat code. You're securing scarce digital real estate. You're hedging against inflation like a boss. You're participating in a global shift toward decentralized value. And you're doing it all before the crowd catches on. This isn't about hype. It's about timing, strategy, and access. And right now, you still have all three. Mash that like if you're stacking with a purpose. Subscribe for bold, fast-paced investing content that actually respects your brain. Drop a comment. Are you aiming for 0.1 BTC or are you already there? This is Wealth Mode, where we don't wait for wealth. We accumulate it, protect it, and own it. Quietly, relentlessly, Satoshi by Satoshi.